already learned what is noun, what is pronoun, what is subjective pronoun and what is objective pronoun, isn't it? Do you remember all those pronoun and its types? Okay, good. What is a noun? Noun is a naming word, isn't it? It denotes the name of a person, place, things or idea. Anything that has a name is a noun, isn't it? What is a pronoun? Pronoun is a word that is used in the place of a noun. Noun, it denotes the name of a person. Ashwin, Rahul, the name of a place, playground, park, church, name of a place, then name of an object, bottle, chair, bag, book. All these are name of objects, isn't it? Idea, Christianity, peace. All these are ideas. So anything that has a name is a noun. Naming word is called as noun. So you're all thorough with what is noun, isn't it? Next, about pronoun. Pronoun is the word used in the place of a noun. Then we have seen subjunctive pronoun and objective pronoun. A pronoun that is doing or that is performing an action in a sentence and then it is said to be a subjective pronoun, isn't it? Then any pronoun that is receiving the action done by the subject, that is objective pronoun. This is what we have seen till about pronoun, subjective and objective pronoun, isn't it? Today we are going to learn something about indefinite pronoun. What we are going to learn? Indefinite pronoun. Are you all ready? Good. Indefinite pronouns are pronouns that are not defining anything particular. The name itself signifies that it is indefinite, isn't it? Indefinite. What does it mean by indefinite? It is not mentioning anything in particular. It is not referring anything in specific. For example, proper noun, it denotes something particular, isn't it? He is a boy is not a proper noun. Ashwin is a boy. This is a proper noun. We are denoting something in particular. But in indefinite pronouns, we cannot expect that specific thing, specific name for anything. Here, unspecific name for a place, things or object or idea is indefinite pronoun. It is not defining anything or anybody in particular. For example, I'll say something. I'll say an example. Nobody is here to help me. Nobody is here to help me. Here the word nobody is a pronoun that is not defining anybody in particular, isn't it? So here the word nobody is an indefinite pronoun. I'll tell you another example. Everyone should obey elders. Everyone should obey elders. Here, everyone is a pronoun that is not defining anybody in particular, isn't it? It is not specifying anything. It is not mentioning anything or anybody in particular. So, such kinds of pronouns that are not defining, not mentioning anything in particular, those pronouns are called as indefinite pronoun. These indefinite pronouns may come with singular verbs, plural verbs, both in singular and plural. Can you understand? Let's just brush up what is subject-verb agreement or concord. Then you will be able to understand this concept clearly. Okay? Verbs always agree with the number which is there in the subject. For example, birds fly. Here, birds is the subject, that is in plural. There are a number of birds there. We are not mentioning a single bird, isn't it? Birds fly, and that's why birds is in plural, and that's why we are mentioning fly as verb. If we are saying bird, then it takes the plural form, that is flies. Bird flies. Birds fly. Can you understand? Now, if we are taking singular subjects will take singular verb and plural subjects will take plural verb. For example, Johnny and Tony are friends. Here, Johnny is a subject. Johnny and Tony are friends. Here we have two nouns, isn't it? Two naming words, two persons. These two nouns are connected with the word and. Johnny and Tony. Johnny and Tony. We are connecting these two nouns with a word and that's why Johnny and Tony are friends. We cannot say that Johnny and Tony is friends. Can you understand? Johnny and Tony are friends. Here we are connecting two nouns with the word and that's why it takes the plural form of the verb. For singular we can use has. For plural we have to use have as verb. Can you understand? And some indefinite pronouns like anyone, each, either, we can use singular form of verb. We can see more examples so that you will be able to understand it more. Okay? Students, take your book and take page number 29. Take page number 29. There you have a tabular column in it, isn't it? Can you see that? Okay. They have mentioned what are the indefinite pronouns in which we can use singular verbs, plural verbs, both singular and plural. Shall I read it once? Look at these words: anything, another, anyone, each, either, everybody. All these are indefinite pronouns. How? These words, these pronouns are not mentioning anything in particular. It is not specifying anything. It is not mentioning anything in particular, isn't it? And that's why these are indefinite pronouns. These indefinite pronouns come with singular verb. And some pronouns like others, several, both, few, many. All these indefinite pronouns come with plural verbs. And there are some indefinite pronouns in which we can use both singular and plural. For example, all, any, most, some, none, more, such. For these indefinite pronouns, we can use both singular as well as plural. Shall we see the exercise given here? Students, now let's see something about abbreviation. Have you all familiar with the word abbreviation? No? If I say a few examples, then you know that you already know what is abbreviation. Shall I say something? For kilometers, in short, we usually write km. For kilogram, in short, we will say kg. For Bachelor of Arts, we say it in short as BA. Now, are you familiar with the word abbreviation, or can you understand what is abbreviation? Yes, an abbreviation is the shortened form of a frequently used word or phrase. It is a shortened form. For example, television. How many of you usually say the word television? I am watching television. I am watching cartoon in our television. I kept some fruits in my refrigerator. Will we all say all those words? We make it short, isn't it? Television, TV. For kilometers, km. For kilograms, kg. So these are the shortened form of a frequently used word or a phrase. That is what called abbreviation. In our lesson also, at last I have explained you that PS. What is PS here? Postscript. After the signature, after writing everything, after completing the letter, she wrote PS, that is postscript. My name and your name are same. Both are Sarojini, isn't it? Here she used the abbreviated form for postscript, that is PS. Can you understand? Students, take page number 28. Question number 2. What do the abbreviations in bold stand for? Choose the correct options. First one. The nearest medical store is on the west street. ST, here it refers, not saint, it refers to street. Yesterday, the temperature was at an all-time high of 40 degrees Celsius. Here, C refers to Celsius. Mira is graduating with a BA in English. Here, BA stands for Bachelor of Arts. Next, I need you to get home. ASAP, ASAP. It stands for as soon as possible. Give me an ETA as to when the plane will land. Here, ETA stands for estimated time of arrival. Okay. Then the next. In a notebook, rewrite these sentences using abbreviations for the words in bold. Here they have written 5 sentences and you have to write the abbreviation form. For example, here the word example is in bold. You have to rewrite it in the abbreviation form. How can you write it? EG. EG stands for example, isn't it? Next, you can only carry a bag weighing up to 7 kilograms on this flight. Here, kilograms, kgs. Kilograms, kgs. Next, Dr. Pathak told Arun to schedule another visit for the following week. Here, doctor, in short, we can write DR, isn't it? Next, the event will take place on Friday, 25 January. How can we write this? FRI stands for Friday. FRI, 25 Jan. It refers to Friday, 25th January. Okay. Next, the Prime Minister will address the country this evening. Prime Minister, how can we abbreviate the word Prime Minister? PM. In short, we can say PM. Students, now I'll tell you the answers for the textbook exercises which are there in page number 19. Read the sentences given below and choose the correct pronouns to replace the words in bold. I wanted my father to be proud of me. Here the answer is him. Money walked down the road to buy some flowers. The answer is he. Sharon bought 2 tickets for the movie. The answer is I. Sid gave the class a treat for his birthday. The answer is us. The chief was very pleased with the New Year's dinner preparation. The answer here is she. Have you all noted down? Next, underline the errors in these sentences and write the correct words in the blanks. First, the competition was always between Moniba and I. Here the answer is me. You and me should work on the project together. The answer here is I. Because here it stands as a subject, isn't it? Subject, case of pronoun. Next, Ruchi gave the book to he. The answer here is him. It is not he, it is him. Her is the best teacher at this school. Here the answer is she. She is the best teacher at this school. Next, I will buy new clothes for all of they. Here it is not they. The answer here is them. I will buy new clothes for all of them. I hope you're all thorough with pronoun and its case form. Students, take page number 29. Fill in the blanks with was or were. Annie Miss asked the class to write a letter to someone they admire. Everyone dash happy to do the assignment. Here everyone is an indefinite pronoun for which we have to use singular verb. Was is the singular verb, where is the plural verb. Okay, so here everyone is a singular and it is indefinite pronoun, singular, and that's why we are using singular verb. So what is the answer here? Was. Next, Annie Miss asked the class to write a letter to someone they admire. Many of the students dash confused about the assignment. Here, many of the students, it is mentioning the indefinite pronoun which is plural, and here we have to use were. Can you understand? Many, plural verb, were. Next, fill in the blanks with suitable indefinite pronouns. Did the bell just ring? I think dash is at the door. I think someone is at the door. Minnie's friends have not come to school today. She doesn't have dash to play with. She doesn't have anyone to play with. Will dash accompany me to the market? Will someone accompany me to the market? Next, the rest of the two you can do by your own. Come to the second one. Fill in the blanks with the correct verbs given in the brackets. Nothing dash me more than the warmth of strangers. Nothing pleases me. Next, anyone who dash my copy of Journey to the Center of the Earth is requested to return it to the school library. Anyone who finds my copy of Journey to the Center of the Earth. Anyone, it's a singular, and that's why we are adding s with the verb finds. The rest, can you do it by your own, students? Come to the third. Fill in the blanks with is, are, has or have. Is and has are singular, are and have are plural. Dash, all of you submitted your homework. Have you? All. Have all of you submitted your homework. Next, all of the food dash disappeared. All of the food has disappeared. The rest you can do by your own. Come to the next page. Rewrite these sentences using apostrophes. The car belongs to my father. Here we cannot find any apostrophe here. We have to rewrite this sentence. The car belongs to my father. It shows the possession that the car is belonging to the father. So how can we write it? How can we rewrite it? By showing the possession of the car by the father. This is my father's car. He is the son of our principal. He is our principal's son. The rest you can do by your own. And add apostrophes to these sentences to correct them. Smita's neighbor's dog is lost. Here neighbors is a noun. Already S is there. So the apostrophe mark is after the letter S. It's not before the letter S, after the letter S. Mr. Das' lunch was stolen. Das, here already S is there. So apostrophe mark will come after the letter S. Can you do the next? Okay. See you all in the next class, students. Until, take care.